Howdy folks, thank you very much for tuning in. Today we're going to have a quick natter about Hawke warranties and how they have changed recently. Before January 2018 they were, I think it was 2 or 10 years, just confirm that with the retailer that you bought from just to be sure. After January the 1st 2018 warranties became lifetime, and whereas before it only covered manufacturing defects, now Hawke are like a few other of the top brands, although Hawke are very much a top brand themselves in my eyes. The accidents do happen, so as it quotes here, when you buy your new Hawke scope, binocular or monocular, you're buying peace of mind for life. In the event your product becomes damaged or defective, we'll repair at no charge to you. It doesn't matter how it happened or whose fault it was, we've got you covered. The Hawke warranty is only available direct through our UK service centre and not your retailer. So just to go through a couple of those points, we've got you covered. It doesn't matter how it happened or whose fault it was. How it happened, accidents do happen, okay? Not misuse. There's a difference between an accident and misuse. Misuse is playing rugby with them. Misuse is throwing to somebody else and they drop them. Misuse is putting them on your van floor and driving it around with them with no padding. In effect, hitting them with a hammer as you drive. That's not covered. I do have a story to tell about that particular event happening with one customer, which was quite a memorable or forgetful day, but that's probably another story. So it's only available direct through your UK service centre and not through your retailer. So that is not me passing the buck, it's there in black and white in the terms and conditions. You contact Hawke direct, and first of all you will need to register the product, and that's very easy to do. As a number of you I know have already bought from our website, all you do is you forward the email to the Hawke, and if you bought from us online or at our retail premises, our optics weekends, you will be shown the email where you register it, and then you're on the system. You should get a confirmation email. Then if any problems, you contact Hawke direct. But I am aware that especially at our optics weekends, not everybody has the interweb, and so by all means, if you've bought from our optics weekends and you would rather come to me first as your first point of call without any warranty issues, or if you've already contacted Hawke but you'd rather me pay to have it sent back, not a problem. Bring it to me. And other things that are not covered, such like the straps and the lens caps, and you know, these are things that, like car tyres and brakes, they wear out with age. The more you use them, the more they will wear out. And one other thing that is not covered is if you do have a mishap and there's maybe a scratch down the side, a little bit of a dent, a bit of a chip off something, or maybe a very, very small nick on the glass right in the corner. If the handling, functionality and the optics are not effective in any way, then that's not covered, you know, because the performance of the binocular has not changed. So if they cannot repair the binoculars, what they will do is then offer to, depending on whether it's an available product or not, either replace like for like, which could also mean replacing with another set in used condition, probably that they'd use as an X display. And if it is a discontinued product and they cannot get any more, they will replace with a product as near as they can to the one that you have bought. And there may be situations, you know, where that happens. It's happened only once, I think, in our case, where somebody got a similar model because there was none of the binoculars that they had bought left in stock, new or X display. So that's it. That's a quick rundown of the Hawke warranty. But by all means, if you want to drop us an email asking the questions below, if you're not bothered about everybody seeing your own personal questions, contact us with any questions and I'll do my best to try and get back to you with anything regarding to Hawke warranties, even if you bought from somebody else. I don't mind. So thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you next time.